Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to show you how to create multiple columns in your HTML file. So suppose you are creating website, and you want to create multiple columns. So how can you do it? So I will show you today that. So first I'm going to. So my title is multiple columns. So I'm going to design. The column. Let me first creating a div first. So as you can see, I have created some text inside my website. Now I'm going to show you how to put all of this text into three columns. If you want to put all text in four column, five column, it depends on you how many column you want to create. So text align, justify, font size, so 16 pixel, column count 3, column gap, column rule 1 pixel, solid, black. So now I'm moving to my website and let's see. So you can see all of my text is separated into three columns. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all, best of luck.